There will never be anything like this as long as you live, ever. That's it. Done. Vanito. Sorry, I tried to make this trend line. It's off. Give me 1 second. You see how I'm always visually seeing stuff? Do you see how I just saw this trend line out of here? I think it's why we're so successful in here, by the way. I can see these patterns, right? When I see, don't I always talk about pattern changes? Right? I'm always looking for these. I'm always like, what's it doing? Why is it there? Where's it going to go from that spot? Well, why did it get to that? Well, how fast did it get there? Well, how many buyers were in there? Well, where are the sellers at? Why are they there? What's it doing? How many times have it done it before? Does it look different than it was last time when it got there? How long did it take before it got there last time? Right. Always. And that's why I still love this after 30 plus years. This is like a permanent fidget spinner. I get to constantly, forever, and always. There's always something happening, right? Oh, look at this pop. Yes. Take advantage of that.
It's like a live living video game.
Oh, it's constant and forever. We get a break and hold out of there, you're going to have a nice run. Can anybody tell me why? Pattern change. I've got my stop in place in case it can't hold above that area. If this holds in here, above this, right? If you look at it, technically it's above this candle. But if it can hold up here, you're going to get a big old pop. Pattern change. People will recognize it and go, what is that? And it'll go, get up there. Get up there. I'll just take it. Time to dink around with it. 62 bucks. Anyways, I want to see this. Hold here. Pattern change. This was the pattern. Pop. You can also see it riding on 619. Right? We had 619 before. Remember 618 to 619. Remember? Oh, this is getting stronger. This is getting stronger. Stay up here. If you guys are in SPY looking for that A+ setup, you're going to wait for the break of 619.20. Everybody see it up here? Let me draw it out. Let me shoot some ladders this thing. But coach, all you're going to do is just give us money. It's just constant money, coach. Why are you constantly giving us millions of dollars? Because that's what I do. Look at this. Oh, look at it pull back off that. See how it couldn't hold? Look at the way it couldn't hold off that 619 key critical level that we had right here. See it? Right? There. So everybody see why I got out of this one early, though? Because it started to hesitate in here, and I'm like, no. You need to shoot, right? I want a gamma candle getting the hell away from me. Because technically, if you look at this, this is all on what? What is this called, gang?
Resistance.
Resistance.
That's
La
right.
resistance.
That's right. See it? So if I'm going to do that, right, especially early, it's really a dangerous move. Because what are we supposed to do on resistance? Puts.
Short.
That's right. So right here, we get this to pull through. I'm going to short it. I'm not going to do it now. This is a 21 where it bounced last time. See it? Look at this. This is right where it bounced last time. So I got to wait for the break and hold below this. And if it does, I'm going to short the hell out of this thing. See if it's got a little more. Yep, I like it. I've already got my stop in place in case it goes against me, right? Risk management. Let me move this so you guys can see the actual trade. There it goes. Come on. A little more. I know it went green, but I'd like to see this break that 55 and go lights out. It starts to hesitate. I'll just take my money and leave. There we go. 125. Could I have, excuse me, could I have held longer for a bigger pull? Absolutely. I'm trying to show you, it doesn't take a whole lot of what I'm doing, right? That was 125 bucks. If I do that 10 times, it's $1,000.